The 2026 Honda HR-V RS Turbo brings a fresh dose of attitude to the compact SUV segment. With its aggressive front fascia, gloss black grille, RS-specific body kit, and sharp LED lighting, it stands out as the sportiest version of the HR-V yet. The 18-inch alloy wheels and dual chrome exhaust tips add a bold, performance-inspired look. Inside, the RS Turbo is loaded with premium touches like leather-trimmed seats with red stitching, a digital driver display, paddle shifters, and an 8-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It even offers upscale features like a panoramic sunroof and a hands-free power tailgate, giving it a near-luxury feel. Under the hood, the HR-V RS Turbo is powered by a 1.5-litre VTEC turbocharged engine delivering around 177 horsepower and 177 lb-ft of torque, paired with a CVT and front-wheel drive. The turbo engine provides lively acceleration, making it one of the most engaging HR-V models to date. Honda's drive mode selector lets you choose between sport, normal, and Econ settings, while the suspension is tuned for sharper handling, though it might feel a bit firm on rough roads. With standard Honda sensing safety tech, 6 airbags, and a full suite of driver assist features, the HR-V RS Turbo blends fun, function, and safety in a stylish and sporty package.